Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to report ad account problems to Meta support. In case you're having any sort of issues or problems with your ad account on Instagram or maybe on the Meta, then I'll show you some of the ways through which you can just simply submit report against the issues and then these issues will be fixed. So first you have to simply open your Instagram app, and once the app gets open, you will be onto its homepage. Now what you have to do is that you can see at the bottom we have five options. You have to click onto this right one, which is the profile icon. So just simply tap onto it, and after that you will be into a profile. Click onto the three lines from the top right corner, and after that you will be into settings and activity. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and click on help, or what you can do is you can just simply shake your phone, and after that you will see this option report problem. Simply click onto it. Then what you have to do is that you don't have to include anything and explain whole your issue, like what issue you're having, what sort of things you're facing, like your ad account having problems. So just simply explain what sort of problem it is and how you would like it to be addressed, and also mention that fix this issue and you're waiting for their response. If you have any screenshot or any media file that you would like to upload, you can also do it, and once you're done, just simply send it. After that, Instagram team will contact you regarding this issue, or if they do not contact you, that means they have fixed your issue. So you can just simply check out, and then you will see that your issues will be resolved. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.